low-cost automated web security solution automatically identifies serious security issues on web applications that have already been deployed or still in the development stage. This solution can be deployed as a software or consumed directly from the cloud without any installation. The core scanning engine used in this solution since its release was downloaded over 35,000 times.
My technology helps site owners discover security problems in them before the bad guys find them, and they can secure their websites by fixing these vulnerabilities. So this technology has been available in the industry for the past 2 years. I've released it as an open source software. It has been downloaded by more than 35,000 people, and it's being used by the security testing teams of some of the biggest companies in the world.
Two products are being made based on the present innovation. A. Security test automation for software development teams and companies, which will test every software before being publicly released or deployed.
Every software development company performs something called as a functional testing process to make sure the software that has been developed performs properly. What our technology does is it integrates with the functional testing tool set, and when a functional test is performed, it finds out all the information it needs about the application, and then it uses this information to perform a security assessment on the application automatically, and it generates a report which is designed specifically for developers. So even if the company does not have a security team, they could still get their web applications assessed for security.
This enables the developers to fix the security problems in their websites without the need for security teams or consultants. The second solution is a cloud-based continuous security scanning service for Indian government websites.
Now, we have come up with a solution which would scan these websites continuously throughout the year, and it would test these websites for the common web security vulnerabilities, and also it would try to see if the integrity of the websites have been modified. So if a website has been modified by a malicious individual, for example, then this scanner would detect it automatically, and it would report this information to the concerned authority.
This is a smart cloud-based solution and thus is very cost-effective and does not require any software deployment.